Hey there, I have really awesome video for today because I'm gonna share with you how to build multiple sources of income from your YouTube channel. And I'm gonna even show you a real example of how we went from $300 a month to almost $4,000 last month. And this is not some kind of hype video or anything like that, but we did it in 5 months. Hey guys, welcome back. Stay motivated, make another video today. And if you're generally interested about making videos, growing your YouTube channel, or making money from your YouTube videos, then make sure to subscribe because I post videos like this every single week. Now, making some money from AdSense revenue on YouTube videos is actually pretty good, and it's for sure a good way to start your journey of making any money on YouTube. However, if you want to have steady income from it or really good income, that means you will have to have ton of views to sustain it. And that's why it's always smarter to actually build few sources of income. And you might think this is really complicated, but actually it's not. Of course, I'm gonna mention quickly some of these opportunities open when your channel gets bigger. That goes without saying, but that doesn't necessarily mean you need hundreds of thousands of subscribers either. So my son's channel, Chris GTX Videos, was monetized in 2019. Obviously, that time his channel was making money only from the ads. And as you could expect, there was not a lot of money in it. It went from $40 to $70, $100+ occasionally, and he was waving around like that. Then in 2020, when our views increased, the income increased as well. And the biggest month ever from AdSense revenue was December of 2020, which his channel made $580. Well, you might say, well, that's great. $580 is really good. And it sounds great, but when you consider building the YouTube channel for 2 or 3 years just to have the income of $580 for 1 month is actually not that good. But see, that was only the first source of income and we didn't stop there. Well, my son was doing tutorials and I was doing some tutorials as well, so we got that TubeBuddy referral program. So just a couple of months ago, our income was only $300 from that channel, but we got a little bit of money from the TubeBuddy. So that's the second source of income. And that averages from $70 to $140 a month. And you don't really have to have tutorial channel. Actually, any channel could do that. So for example, we refer the TubeBuddy tools, but if you have a gaming channel, you can refer some gaming subscription monthly to some platform. And as long as there is a referral program, you can earn commissions that way too. Now keep in mind, each of these income sources is gonna be different amount, but the main point to take out of this is if you have several streams of income, and they each come different day of the month, then you can build it the way that you can get paid 3, 4, 5, 6 times a month, depending on how many sources you have. The main factor is focus on your channel, bring people value, and opportunities will open. So now I'm gonna continue the story. So in August, we just made from YouTube $314 on Chris GTX Videos channel, and obviously that's not a lot. Then we made some other income from TubeBuddy. Then we have the third source of income, but that's the small one. We had Amazon Associates links. So we make just a couple of dollars from there. That's not even an amount worth mentioning. But then beginning of August of 2021, we actually applied for Amazon Influencers program. So we got approved right away from the Amazon and we posted a couple of videos in there. We didn't post so many videos because we were going to vacations and all, so that month was kind of slow. And we reviewed the products we actually bought previously from Amazon, from microphones to car booster to anything like that. And on the side note, like on YouTube, you should have specific niche, but with the Amazon influencer video, you can actually post any video you want. Amazon doesn't really care as long as it's really good review video, good quality, and follows the community guidelines. It's okay. So for the first month in August, we made $48 from that program. Now, of course, you may say, what the heck is this? This is nothing. Well, and you probably would be right, but I look at the things different way. So I knew we had more videos to post, and also I knew that, okay, we made $48. That means the program works and we can make more. Especially that from Amazon Associate links that we normally use before, we were only making $10 to $20 a month. So $48 might not be much, but it's better than $15, right? But guess what happened next month? In September, our income on YouTube stayed pretty similar. We make about $300. Then we have similar commissions from TubeBuddy. But guess what? In month of September, we made actually $600 from Amazon Influencer Video. So this is only second month doing this program. I'm talking about Amazon Influencer Video specifically, not YouTube. So the $600 is already more than we ever made on YouTube in 1 single month. And you see, that's how it becomes really cool. Now, the third month, we actually make over $1,600. And in November, it was actually $2,200 from the program. And of course, money from YouTube from November was relatively the same. I think even went lower. Then the commission from TubeBuddy was pretty similar. but from Amazon influencers video, it was $2,200. And then comes month of December. This is only 5th month that we're doing the influencer video program. Or if you want to call it shoppable videos or Amazon reviews, whatever you want to call it, but this is the program. But guess what happened in December? We actually made $3,500 from the program. And even the YouTube money was only $200 plus. That's what I was trying to say. Sometimes your views will go down and the revenue will go down with it. But see, because we have that bigger YouTube channel on YouTube, and that actually helped us to qualify for Amazon influencer video, another big source of revenue was unlocked. So basically, to summarize it for month of December, we have $200 from the YouTube Plus, about $100 or so from TubeBuddy, then a couple of dollars from Amazon Associates program, and of course, $3,500 from Amazon Influencers Video. So that's about $3,800. That's close to $4,000. Sure, we have to pay taxes from it and all, but $3,800, that's a lot of times somebody's salary for a month. And it only takes me average of 1 hour to post this Amazon video, an hour a day. And since Amazon is showing these videos for a long period of time, not necessarily for a week, 2 or 3, but sometimes for a few months, so this is actually residual income as well. So if you're just doing YouTube for hobby and you're not thinking about finances, and God bless you for that, and that's actually really cool, and I'm sure your audience enjoys your content. But if you're thinking about making money on YouTube, you should definitely try to build few sources of income. That way, number one, you will have actually more stable income, since the views are not always predictable. Your views can fluctuate, go down and up. So it's good to have another sources of income. But even more importantly, if you have actually a few different ways that the money is coming into you, then you can actually make proper decisions and start to make even more money monthly. Simply because you're gonna have more experience and you're gonna see what works better financially for you. Never mind that some YouTubers actually get sponsored. They earn money from some educational programs, or depending on what channel, if it's some tech review channel, for example, somebody always reviews Apple products, sometimes the company will send them the item that is not available in the market so they can review it. What I'm just trying to say is, if you build the channel the right way, the opportunities will always come. And if you actually want more financial stability, then AdSense should be only the beginning step. Same way, like your end goal on YouTube shouldn't be 1,000 subscribers, so in the same token, the end financial goal on YouTube shouldn't be only AdSense. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to stay motivated and make another video today. And if you want to see some really good video with editing tricks, how to increase your watch time, make sure to check this video. And of course, I see you next time. Bye guys.